Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gloria. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Before we move further in this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and put on your notification bell as well to get notified when I post a new video. So for this video, I'll be showing you how I achieve this flat twist, and it's really easy and quick. So yes, let's get right into the video. So as usual, I'll be starting off with clean hair, and I'll be using my Shine and Jam as the major gel for this style. I don't know why this style is not so popular. This needle and yarn method is not so popular here in Nigeria, but it's really popular in other African countries. I don't know why we've not adopted it yet, and it's so easy and quick. For this hairstyle, I'll be splitting my hair into 4 parts, and I'll be making use of bobby wool. This bobby wool is made in Nigeria, yes. And the needle, a sewing needle. This is the trickiest part of this. I know it looked so easy here, but before I could pass the yarn into the needle hole, took years. So when you're pulling through or putting the needle through your hair, you have to be careful because it's so easy to make this hairstyle so tight without knowing. Just pull it as gentle as you can. So I pass the head of the needle first so that I don't injure myself. If you can't use this needle, get a wooden needle. There are wooden needles in the market. I didn't have any, that's why I settled for this. Or you could use a bigger needle, the needle they use for knitting. So when you get to the end, use the remaining wool to wrap around your hair, just like how you wrap normal thread styles. Just wrap it around till you get to the end of your hair. Then you can make a knot there to secure it. So the middle parts of my hair are really bulky, so I used small amount of wool without putting that into consideration. So if you're doing yours, increase the length of the wool so it will reach the end of the hair. Mine finished halfway and I had to put new wool into the needle, and that's like another work. I forgot to mention this earlier. When you're putting your yarn into your needle, ensure that one side is shorter, then the other side is longer. So the longer end, you just attach it to your hair. So if you want yours to double as stitch braids, you need to be more intentional with the spacing between each of the wool. So at the end of the hair, I attached a bun. So that's why I wrapped it round. I attached a kinky, I think it should be rosemary, yes, a kinky bun. Yeah. So then, as usual, we need to make our edges a little soup because we can't be having boring hair. But then, I'm not really big on edges. so I just made simple ones. I equally added some accessories here and there. Then I went in with my mousse and tied my hair with my scarf. Then went to do my makeup. So this is the final look of this hairstyle. It's really cute, simple, yes, and very classy as well. So you can use it for school work. And then if you're a natural hair body, yes, this is your go-to hairstyle. It will be really comfortable and it's really protective as well. So please like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel so that I'll be able to bring back more content like this with joy and happiness. Yes, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.